Hello student, our today's topic is physical properties of alcohol and phenol. In physical properties of alcohol and phenol, we see the four properties. First is nature of intermolecular forces, then physical state, boiling point and solubility. Physical state, boiling point and solubility. First is nature of intermolecular forces, that is hydrogen bonding. Then physical state, then boiling point, and fourth solubility. These are the four properties we have to discuss here. See student, first property, that is nature of intermolecular forces. Nature of intermolecular forces, see here, alcohols and phenols are very polar molecule due to the presence of OH group. As OH group is present in both alcohols and phenol, see here CH3OH, and in phenol both having OH group. Hence the both alcohols and phenols are very polar molecule, and due to the presence of OH group there is a strong intermolecular forces called hydrogen bonding. See student, here hydrogen bonding is present. Hydrogen bonding is present here in this way. This is a water molecule, one water molecule, alcohol molecule. This is another alcohol molecule. This is hydrogen from one alcohol molecule, and oxygen from another alcohol oxygen molecule. They forms the intermolecular bond. This is a intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which is formed between the hydrogen of one alcohol molecule and oxygen of another alcohol molecule. Same way here also the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See here, this is a alcohol phenol molecule, this is another phenol molecule. Here also the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present. The oxygen of one phenol molecule forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with hydrogen of another phenol molecule. This is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and presence of OH group, the both alcohols and phenols are very polar in nature. They are polar in nature. Second property is physical state. Students, see here, lower alcohols are colorless. Lower alcohols are colorless. They don't have the color. They are toxic. They are liquid and have characteristic alcoholic odor. The four properties in physical state we have to understand here. They are lower alcohols are colorless, toxic, liquid and characteristic alcoholic odor. In the same way, in phenol also colorless compound, toxic compound, having low melting point, and they also have characteristic carbolic or phenolic odor. The third property is boiling point. In boiling point, see student, as phenols and alcohols increases their molecular mass, boiling point also increases. That means boiling point and molecular mass have directly proportional. Then solubility of alcohols and phenols. Lower alcohols means carbon atom having up to 3, shows appreciable solubility in water. That means they are strongly soluble in water. See here student, see here, this is a one water molecule and second water molecule, and alcohol molecule is soluble in water due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See here, this is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In the same way, this is a phenol molecule, and this is a another water molecule, and here also solubility due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In this way, alcohol and phenol both are soluble in water due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In this way, we see the four properties of physical properties of phenol, that is one, nature of intermolecular forces, then physical state, boiling point and solubility. I hope you understand this topic.